If you're running a dropshipping store, shipping rules can make or break your profit and delivery speed. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automatic shipping lines in BuckyDrop step by step.
You can activate automatic shipping in BuckyDrop and configure your default shipping lines. Click Settings to access the main configuration options. Click Order Settings to manage order-related configurations. Click Automation Settings. The automatic shipping setting will be enabled by default. Click here to adjust the packaging method for the automatic shipping package. Click here to modify automatic shipping logistics route rules. If you opt for system-recommended shipping lines, you can configure the selection strategy. You can select freight and time restrictions, allowing the system to choose shipping lines that offer an optimal balance between cost and delivery time. Remember to click Save to apply all changes made to the logistics and automation settings. You can also manually set your default shipping lines. Click Set by Default according to logistics routes to disable automatic recommendations and use pre-selected routes for stability. You need to set your default shipping lines first. Click Logistics Settings. Click Add Configuration. You can set the shipping line according to store products or by destination country. Double-click, select All to clear all selected countries. Please enter your destination country. Click here to choose your destination country. Using the USA as an example, tick the specific shipping line that you want to use. You can choose up to 3 lines. Press and hold the plus sign on the right and drag to adjust the order of the default shipping routes. The shipping routes at the top are given priority for use. Click OK to confirm and finalize the configuration changes. Click Save to store all your configuration changes and complete the setup.
Automate your dropshipping order management now. Visit BuckyDrop.com and subscribe.